Welcome to BuddyLand ABC. Let's learn and have fun together. Let's learn ABC with professions. A for artist fun. Paint and draw, colors run. B for builder bright. Builds our home strong and right. C for chef we see. Cooks yummy food for you and me. D for doctor kind. Helps us feel good, body and mind. E for engineer smart. Builds and fixes with a clever heart. F for firefighter brave. Keeps us safe and strong and safe. G for gardener dear. Grows green plants year by year. H for helper kind. Helping others, hearts aligned. Ice cream delight. Seller brings smiles day and night. J for journalist bright. Shares the news both day and night. K for keeper kind. Cares for animals all the time. L for librarian smart. Loves books and learning from the heart. M for mechanic smart. Fixes cars with tools and heart. N for nurse so kind. Cares for everyone she finds. O for officer brave. Keeps us safe in every way. P for pilot high. Flies the plane across the sky. Q for quartermaster true. Keeps things ready, old and new. R robot maker fun. Builds cool robots one by one. S for scientist bright. Mix and learn with fun and light. T for teacher dear. Helps us learn and grow each year. U umbrella bright. Keeps us dry in rain and night. V veterinarian kind. Helps our pets feel well and fine. W for waiter neat. Brings our food so fresh and sweet. X xylophone play. Music makes us smile all day. Y yoga slow. Stretch and breathe. Relaxed we go. Z zookeeper true. Cares for animals in the zoo. Great job, little learners! You learned ABC with professions today. See you again. Bye-bye.